If you've ever wanted to let users register and log into your WordPress site with their own custom forms, without paying for expensive plugins or writing any code, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through creating both a registration and login page in WordPress, completely for free. By the end of this video, you'll have smooth, user-friendly pages set up, ready to welcome your visitors and members. Let's dive straight in. First, let's log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center, kind of like the cockpit of a plane. Everything we need to do starts from here. If you aren't already logged in, just navigate to and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This is where all your site's main content lives, like your About Contact and now the registration page we're about to add. Click on the Add New button. Up at the top, give your page a clear title, something like Registration Form, so you'll recognize it later and it looks professional for your users. Now comes the fun part, building your registration form. We're going to use WordPress's block editor, which is a bit like arranging Lego pieces. Each block adds a bit of function or content to your page. Click the little plus sign known as the block inserter. Search for text or text field and add enough fields for the information you want to collect, maybe name, email, and password. Don't worry if you see extra fields or find the default ones a bit much. You can easily edit or remove any fields you don't need. Just click the field and select the three dots for more options. This is your chance to make the form as user-friendly as possible. For example, if you don't need someone's phone number, it's absolutely fine to leave that out. The simpler the form, the more likely people are to actually fill it out. Once you're happy with your registration form, let's set up the login page. Head back to Pages on the menu and add a new page again. This time, title it Login Page so you can easily spot it and visitors know exactly what it's for. To build the login form, type /text. This brings up the option to insert a text input field. The first field will be for your username. Rename it username so it's clear. Now add another text input using the same method, and this time label it password. You'll likely want to set this input as required. Just click the little asterisk or checkmark next to the field so users can't log in without entering their password. This step is super important. It keeps your site secure and prevents empty logins. At the bottom of your form, you'll see a button that probably just says Submit or Button. Let's make this friendlier by changing the button name to Login. Click to edit the button text. This helps guide your users so there's no confusion about what action they're taking. Little details like this go a long way in making your site feel polished and trustworthy. Finally, give your page a quick look to make sure everything is in place. If you're happy, go ahead and click Publish to make your login page live. The registration page works the same way. Make sure you've published it so your visitors can actually use it. And that's it. You've just built your very own registration and login pages right inside WordPress, all without a single dollar or line of code. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions or tips in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you want more walkthroughs like this, don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.